Yesterday, our intelligence team, while on patrolling duty at Station Road, Margao, managed to arrest three persons, namely Raj Kapoor, age 18 years, Manoj Mukesh Kumar, age 18 years, both native of UP and presently were staying at Malbat area on rental basis, and one more person, Tanveer Abdul Major, age 39 years, residence of Mungun, and he is native of Karnataka. The three persons were moving in a suspicious manner at Station Road, Margao near the Victor Hospital. When they were stopped by our intelligence team and they were asked about their presence in the concerned area, said area, they failed to give the satisfactory answers. And further, on their personal search, we found the 26 mobile and 6 mixers, all worth rupees 49,000. So accordingly, they were taken into custody and arrested under section 41 CRPC. So in this connection, our further investigation is in progress, whether to find out whether they have involved in any theft cases.
ते नवीन सगळे मोबाईल आणि वस्तू आशिल्ल्यो त्यो
No, they are second-hand mobiles, second-hand sets and mixtures.
आणि ते चोरी खंय हांगा केल्या काय आनी कडेन खंय
They have not disclosed, so far they have not disclosed. Our efforts are in progress.